Today, I'm on camera with a white latte cup to match the theme. If every sip of a white drink gets me closer to a billionaire, I'm already on my way to a trillionaire. Hi, let's peek into the rituals of the richest people, which sometimes look like scenes from the sci-fi movies. And my question for you right away, if you had $1 billion, what weird ritual would you create for yourself? Hallway hacks. Sterility as effortless. The aviator and billionaire who turned hygiene into a religion. He lived in darkened rooms, built barricades of tissues, and banned staff from looking at him or speaking without permission. This wasn't just a quirk, it was a way to keep the world at the arm's length. Where is the line between discipline and self-built prison? Warren Buffett, kids menu, grow up dividends. 5 cans of Coke a day, ice cream for breakfast. His diet is a ritual of pleasure, synchronized with his investment. Coca-Cola is a part of his portfolio. When your diet is sugar and stocks, the main thing is not to confuse what to swallow and what to buy. Mark Zuckerberg, the brain uniform. Dozens of identical gray t-shirts so he doesn't waste decision on a little things. 1 year he even ate meat only from animals he had personally killed. Radical responsibility. How much sameness would you endure for focus? Ingwer Comfort, IKEA. Frugality as a brand. Economy class and old Volvo thrift down to the details. His habit to live like the buyers of his furniture. Nicholas Bergman, the homeless billionaire. Years without a permanent home, suitcase, hotels, investing in ideas. Minimalism not as a trend but as a system. Elon Musk, a bed on the factory floor. During production hell, he literally slept at the plant. It was a signal to his team, we'll put this off at any cost. Sleep is for the tired, the factory is for those who have forgotten what a pillow is. J. Paul Getty, conversation by the coin. His mansion had a payphone. Guests dropped coins to make calls. Even conversation had a budget. So the main question why they do it? It's a control, saving attention, signaling to the world. Rituals are technology. Sometimes a quirk is just a tool to get more done. So mini practice for you. Tomorrow try 3 steps. 1 color of clothing, 30 minutes without your phone, and a small treat after a big task. Is your ritual your tool or your cage? If you like my dog Noir with a kick but with the habits of the powerful, subscribe to my page. I regularly break down things like this and adapt them to your own goals. I am leaving on a road with no left turns. See you in the next episodes where we'll crawl back inside the minds of those who run the world. Bye.